Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we enable double tap to wake screen setting in oppo phone device. So friends, you want to enable your double tap, and after enable how can you use today I will also tell you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting is scroll it, so friends you can see guys your lock screen setting is click on lock screen setting and guys scroll it. Friends you can see guys this double tap to wake screen setting guys, you can see lock screen setting. So when we will enable from this right side icon, and when now how to use. So when suppose guys your phone screen is in off, and when you want to turn on your screen without click means without press on power off button, so when how can you on it. So friends you can see guys you can double tap to wake your screen. 1 second guys, you can see double tap to wake screen and get double tap to off screen guys, you can use it. So it's like that guys, we can enable double tap to wake screen setting and we can use in oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.